Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what happens when lightning strikes a body of water, like a lake or the ocean? Cloud with lightning, it's a question many people ask, and the answer might surprise you. Today, we're diving into the electrifying topic of whether fish die when lightning strikes water. Lightning is one of nature's most powerful forces, with each bolt packing up to 1 billion volts of electricity. That's more than enough to cause serious damage to anything in its path. But what happens to the creatures living beneath the water's surface? Fish, after all, live in water, a substance that conducts electricity pretty well, so you'd think they'd be in big trouble when lightning strikes. But as with many things in nature, it's not that simple. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about how lightning works. Lightning is essentially a giant spark of electricity that occurs during a storm when there's a buildup of electrical charges in the atmosphere. These charges are usually caused by the movement of particles within clouds, and when the buildup becomes too great, the electricity is released in the form of a lightning bolt. Now, when that bolt hits water, it does release a large amount of energy. However, the electricity from lightning doesn't behave the same way it would if it hit solid ground. Because water is a good conductor, the electricity spreads out across the surface rather than penetrating deep into the water. This is key to understanding why most fish aren't in immediate danger when lightning strikes. When lightning strikes a body of water, the electrical energy typically disperses across the surface in all directions. The energy dissipates very quickly the deeper it goes, so only a thin layer of water near the surface is significantly affected. Fish, on the other hand, tend to swim deeper, away from the surface, especially during storms. In fact, many fish instinctively move to deeper waters when they sense changes in barometric pressure, which often indicates that a storm is coming. Because they're generally below the surface where the electrical charge is concentrated, most fish avoid the brunt of the lightning strike. But what happens if a fish is near the surface when lightning strikes? While it's rare, fish swimming near the surface could potentially be affected. In these cases, the fish might experience a shock, and in some instances, it could even result in death. However, the likelihood of this happening is relatively low because of how quickly the electrical current dissipates in water. The electricity spreads out so rapidly that it becomes weaker with distance from the point of impact. So, unless a fish is directly in the path of the lightning or very close to the surface, it's unlikely to suffer fatal consequences. Now, let's consider how often lightning actually strikes bodies of water. While we often associate storms with rain, and rain with lakes, rivers, and oceans, lightning strikes water less frequently than you might expect. Lightning tends to strike the highest point in an area, and on open water, there often aren't many tall objects to attract the strike. That being said, boats, trees, or structures near the water's edge are more likely to be struck, and when lightning does hit the water, the effects are localized and typically don't spread over large distances. So, while fish living in the area where the strike happens might feel it, those farther away will likely remain unaffected. It's also worth mentioning that, while the electricity from lightning can be dangerous, water is a much more forgiving medium than air or solid ground when it comes to dispersing electrical energy. In the air or on land, a direct lightning strike can cause severe burns, fires, and even fatalities. But in water, the current spreads out and weakens much faster, which is why the damage is often less severe. This is why people are advised to avoid swimming during a lightning storm. Because while you might not be struck directly, the electricity can still travel through the water and cause harm if you are too close to the point of impact. One interesting thing to consider is how different species of aquatic life respond to electrical currents in the water. Some fish, like electric eels, have adapted to generate and sense electricity in their environment. These species can survive in electrically charged waters because their bodies are built to withstand and even use electricity. However, for most fish, their best defense against a lightning strike is their natural behavior of staying deeper below the surface and avoiding areas where the storm is most intense. But what about larger bodies of water, like the ocean? In the ocean, the risk of fish being affected by lightning is even lower due to the vast size of the water body. The sheer volume of water dilutes the electrical charge even more, meaning that fish and other marine life are even less likely to be harmed. The deep oceans act like a giant buffer, absorbing the electricity and preventing it from reaching creatures far below. That being said, creatures near the surface or in shallow waters might still be affected, but once again, it's relatively rare. So, do fish die when lightning strikes? In most cases, the answer is no. While lightning is incredibly powerful, the way electricity behaves in water means that it disperses quickly, and fish are generally safe as long as they're not too close to the surface. Their natural instincts to dive deeper during storms also play a significant role in keeping them safe. But for fish swimming too close to the surface, there's always a small chance they could be affected. The good news is that these instances are rare, and the vast majority of fish remain unharmed during a lightning storm. If you are ever caught in a storm while out on the water, it's important to remember that while fish might be relatively safe, humans are not. Water conducts electricity very well, and being on or near the surface during a lightning strike can be extremely dangerous. Always take shelter and get off the water if a storm is approaching. After all, while fish may have nature on their side, we humans aren't so lucky when it comes to lightning strikes. So there you have it. The next time you see a lightning storm, you can rest assured that most fish are safe, hidden deep below the water. If you enjoyed learning about this shocking topic, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating facts about nature and science. And let us know in the comments what other crazy natural phenomena you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.